Hello everybody guys, my dear traders. Today we're gonna continue trade with my trading bot, and in today's video we will discuss 60-second options, also called turbo options, and I'll share some examples and opinions of it. And now let's open first deal, which is gonna be on the currency pair Canadian dollar to Japanese yen, and my trading bot has indicated the priority of the movement for buy is 88%, and we are buying, and let's watch what we will get. So 60 seconds options. First opinion. I know a trader who likes binary options, and he's been working with them for a long time and understands how they operate. I asked him, what's the deal with 60 seconds options? And his answer was simple. If you study technical analysis, focus on special strategies for 60 seconds, it also calls scalping, and constantly watch the charts, you can develop a strong intuition and get really good results. But it takes a lot of time though, money and effort. An experienced trader can handle turbo options, but the key word is experienced. And beginners often end up losing their money really quickly. They rush to find the best strategies for 60 seconds, but binary options are a system where some win and others lose. Many beginners in 60-second options simply give their money to brokers and experienced traders. At 60 seconds, it's hard to tell the difference between trading and gambling. Both are quite similar, and probability works against us. The market often goes in the opposite direction of our predictions. That's why outsiders see trading as gambling. And they think traders are just playing with numbers, whether on binary platforms or the stock exchange. So, what do we call people trading in 60-second options? Traders or gamblers? It's a debatable question. A professional knows their limits and understands what they want to achieve. And for most regular traders, 60-second trades are just about excitement and adrenaline. And everyone knows the feeling of rushing to press the up or down buttons in such a short time. But is it really trading? I actually don't think so. I recommend using longer expiration times. Only use 60-second options if you truly know what you are doing and have a solid strategy. Let's now look at the pros and cons of turbo options. Pros. Trading can be stressful, and it's important to relieve that stress. People do this by fishing, playing games, or exercising. Stress can be reduced in many ways, but I read that short-term actions where the outcome is clear help the most. That's why 60-second options can be seen as entertainment, not a serious trading tool. You can trade with them, but don't take them too seriously. Now, cons. Money, I'll make my monthly salary today. That's how many 60-second options traders think like. But these people are more like gamblers pretending to be traders. Think about it. I sometimes can't even draw a simple trend line in 60 seconds, let alone predict where the price will be in a minute. So how can I consistently trade this way? Trading is about getting regular results, right? But how can you achieve that in such short intervals? Sometimes turbo traders get lucky and make money, of course, and they think they've cracked the code with a winning strategy. But I challenge you, show me a trader who has consistently made a profit from turbo options for at least 6 months. It's a rhetorical question, I haven't met one. The appeal of 60-second option is clear. You can make just 70% profit in 1 minute. adrenaline pumps, and excitement builds. But how sustainable is that mindset for trader? Don't forget, to make money with binary options, you need at least 60% successful deals. You make 70% profit when the option is in the money, but you lose 100 if it's not. So you need a solid strategy that gives reliable signals, not just luck. And now we closed our first deal with my trading bot, which you can try by yourself, finding the link under this video. And I want to remind you guys about my free Telegram channel where I give every day profitable trading signals. So subscribe and join. And now second deal is gonna be on the currency pair Australian dollar to United States dollar, and my trading bot has indicated the probability for sale is 80%. Let's get back to our topic. The reality is statistics for 60-second options are very negative. Indicators don't help much, and the market moves too fast and unpredictably. That's why many scalping strategies fail with 1-minute options. So are 60-second options just gambling? Not exactly, because there are still people who manage to make a consistent profit with such short expiration time. The stretch of price movements can help here. For instance, if we study the last 12 candles and their average size is 50 points, and the price starts moving 60-70 points, we could take advantage of that. But my advice to you guys is to avoid getting involved with 60-second options on 1-minute charts, despite the temptation of quick profits. It feels like more gambling than trading, and maintaining a 60% win rate is extremely hard. However, if you can approach it professionally, there are some chances of success. And just remember, always test any strategy truly on a demo account first before risking real money. And these short-term options are actually trap. Beginner traders are especially drawn to them because of the potential for quick and impressive profits, and they can't resist that temptation. But if you talk to experienced traders, you will find that almost none of them work with 60-second options, as I'm doing. I'm not working with them. And the problem is simple. These options are much more unpredictable than longer-term trades. If you look at historical data, you will see that trends are much more stable over longer time frames. And the reason is obvious. Fundamental factors, not just technical levels or volume, drive the market. Economic factors are more important, and they should be your main focus. And for this reason, 60-second options are more like gambling than real trading. And by the way, gambling isn't necessarily a bad thing, but there is a huge difference between professional trading and, of course, gambling. So, trading requires experience and skill, while gambling is more about luck, risk, and probability. On time frames under 5 minutes, it's almost impossible to predict price movements. It's basically flipping a coin with no way to influence the result in your favor. Keep this in mind if you're tempted by the idea of quick profits from turbo options. Most traders start with unrealistic expectations, and they think the market will simply give them what they need. But over time, they realize the market is unpredictable, full of ups and downs. So here's the conclusion. Don't get involved with 60-second options. Sure, you might get lucky sometimes, but you will lose much more often. Do you really want to start your trading career by relying on luck? I don't think so. First, you need to understand what moves the market and the technical and fundamental factors that influence it. But with 60 seconds options, a person might come in with high hopes, lose money quickly, and quit right away. Experienced traders may use 60-second options, but only when the market conditions are right, like during major news events, when the price is likely to move in predictable direction. I actually believe that 60-second options are a real trap. It's the fastest way to lose your money, guys, plain and simple. These short expiration and time frames are only for people who have extra money and want to part with it quickly. Even if the market is clearly going up or down, it still moves in waves, making it the risks of short-term trading almost fatal. And let me put it this way: yes, you can make money with turbo options, that's a fact. But there are thousands of traders who earn by scalping on forex and binary options. However, and this is the key, professional scalping is only for specialists. For everyone else, unfortunately, 60-second options are just a way to lose money. Turbo options encourage a lot of trades, and beginners can't control themselves emotionally, nor do they follow money management rules. That's why 60-second options are dangerous, mainly from a psychological standpoint. And that's gonna be it for today, guys. In this video I gave you some important information, and now it's only up to you to decide whether or not to trade turbo options. So thank you for watching. Panda Trader has been with you today. Join my free Telegram channel, try my trading bot by yourself, guys. All the best, have a nice deals, good luck, guys.